Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute mushroom. So I'm going to take a black marker and let's get started. I'm going to start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to do two great big circles, a little bit of space between them, but not very much. And on the inside I'm going to do another great big circle, and same over here. And I can color that one in dark. Okay, like that. Now, underneath both eyes, I'm going to give a little oval like that. And these are going to be like little blushy cheeks. Now, underneath the eyes, we're going to do a smile. So just a U shape. He's going to be a happy little mushroom. And now we're going to do the very top of them here. So we're going to do a line like this. It's slightly curved, but that's okay if yours is totally straight. And we can come on up like this. Okay, so it's like he's wearing a little hat. And now we're going to come on down like that. And same on this side. And he's going to be growing out of the grass. So I'm going to do all kinds of little bits of grass. Now the ones I'm doing here, they're just like little upside down U shapes. And I'm doing big ones and small ones, all different sizes. And I'm going to put some here in the background too. Just different upside down U shapes. Okay, and now on top of the mushroom, he's going to have some circle shapes. And they're going to be all different sizes. You can have lots of circles if you want. You can have just a few if you want. And he's a sweet little mushroom. And I'm going to give him some little hearts because he's a happy little mushroom who just wants all of us to have a good day. So he's going to be spreading some love with these cute little hearts. All right, so now I'm going to get started on coloring. Alright everyone, so we are done our cute little happy mushroom. Let me know in the comments how you think he turned out. And please feel free to like and comment and subscribe because it really helps out the channel a lot. Alright everyone, I'll see you tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Bye!